Okay, in this video, Jungle Tools will share with you a very important piece of knowledge related to nurturing Facebook accounts and using proxies to assign to those Facebook accounts. There are a lot of people who reach out to me via Telegram and ask very, very simple questions like, does your software support Facebook resources? Or does your software support attaching proxies to Facebook accounts for use? And many of you have a very naive idea, which is using one proxy for one Facebook account. To be honest with you, that's possible, but the cost is very high. So what is the correct knowledge for you to understand how to attach proxies to Facebook accounts and how many Facebook accounts you should use to support more effective posting? This video will answer those questions for you. First, you will open the My Take Care software. As you can see, I currently own about 3,000 Facebook accounts and the like rate is very low, as you can see on the screen. So now, how can you own a set of accounts like this and manage them effectively? The first thing you need to keep in mind is that you have to use aged Facebook accounts that have already been nurtured for quite a while. Aged accounts are good, but they're not as effective as those that have already been nurtured and have posts on them, okay? Please note, these are the top tier accounts. They've been used for many years already. And the accounts below here, as you can see, they're not old, they're new, but these are the accounts you should pay attention to. These are accounts that have been nurtured for a long time, and you can notice this in the comments section here. I can open a clip to show you. There, you can see it right here. These are real accounts that already have posts, already have everything. So with accounts like this, you can fully meet the requirement. These accounts aren't very appealing yet, so you can check out another account as well. The accounts that have had more posts will be much better for you. Here, this is an account that you shouldn't use, okay? Because this account has no information at all, and you shouldn't use an account like that. So you can totally check out other accounts. For example, if I want to show you an account that's actually good, then you should use it. Take this account for instance. You can clearly see it has a lot of friends and plenty of posts. An account like this is really good, guys. Now, let's get back to the question of how many accounts you should assign to one proxy and how you should manage those accounts for the best results. Here, if you look at the proxy management section, you'll see that one proxy can be assigned to about 3 to 5 Facebook accounts. But for me, I usually assign fewer accounts, just 2 to 3 profiles per proxy. Honestly, the fewer you assign, the better it is. However, the safe range is from 3 to 5 accounts per proxy. So when someone tells you that you should only assign 1 account per proxy, that's not wrong, but it's wasteful and uses up a lot of your resources. Because proxies aren't cheap and Facebook accounts aren't cheap either. So if you ever want to own 3,000 accounts like I do and you need 3,000 proxies, that would be way too expensive. For 3,000 accounts like mine, you only need about 500 proxies and that's enough. Okay, and that's the very first and most important part of this process. You should definitely assign approximately 3 to 5 distinct Facebook accounts to each individual proxy. There, is that perfectly clear to you? Here, I will now load it up right here on the screen so that you can easily and clearly visualize that particular part. Essentially, it's one proxy for approximately 3 to 5 Facebook accounts for you to manage and utilize effectively. Okay? Next, the question is, how do we nurture these Facebook accounts? First, you can take a look at the Facebook account nurturing feature in the My Take Care software. In this feature section, there will be a scripting part, and the most useful advice for you is to nurture those Facebook accounts as if you were actually using a real Facebook account. For example, if you own a Facebook account and actually use it, then normally you would just scroll through the news feed like this, just scrolling through the news feed like this. Then you go around liking posts, right? You go around liking posts like this, just liking posts like this. This is what is called nurturing activity. You can totally read notifications, check messages, send messages, and so on. All of that is considered nurturing activity. That's it, exactly. You can watch videos, watch reels, post on your personal page, and do many other actions. These are all considered nurturing activities. And anyone who uses Facebook also performs those actions, which are called human actions. And in this My Take Care software, there are also features and functions that support you with those activities, like scrolling the news feed, randomly liking, randomly commenting, viewing stories, watching videos, posting on your personal page, and so on. It has it all. So you need to perform all those steps for your Facebook account to stay healthy. So what do? We will own good Facebook accounts, assign proxies to them, about 3 to 5 accounts per proxy, and nurture them just like real users. That way, you can completely own a set of good, high-quality accounts. Okay, and in this video, Jungle Tools has shared with you knowledge about nurturing accounts and how many accounts to assign to one proxy. Hopefully, this will answer the questions you've been wondering about, and see you again in the next videos on the Jungle Tools YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.